Good morning, everyone. I'm delighted to stand before you today to talk about the beautiful festival of Diwali. Diwali, also known as Deepavali, is a widely celebrated Hindu festival. It typically falls in October or November and lasts for 5 days. The festival gets its name from the row of clay lamps, or diyas, that are lit during this time. Diwali symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. It is a time when families come together to clean and decorate their homes. People adorn their homes with colorful rangoli designs and beautiful lanterns. Sweets and delicious treats are prepared and shared with friends and family. The exchange of gifts is a common tradition during Diwali. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you.